First meeting with MECHA C2. MECHA C2 is a Fanotec dedicated dual-axis controller with an OLED display and external battery. The display can guide you through all major operations and settings. However, before using the C2 controller, we recommend watching the video, a user-friendly tour of the MECHA C2 User guide, and then reading the guide, beginning with the first part. Access www.nodalninja.com, then navigate to the Manuals page. All MECHA User guides can be found in the MECHA section. You can find links to installation instruction videos at the beginning of the C2 User guide. MECHA tutorials are also available on the tutorials page at www.nodalninja.com. Navigate to the tutorials page, then click Playlists. Similar playlists are available on the Nodal Ninja YouTube channel. Then, click the MECHA Controller C2 playlist. Also, we recommend watching the oldest videos first. For example, Power On and Test, Simple Rotations, Firmware Update using a Hotspot, and using a smartphone to access the MECHA user interface. It takes less than an hour to watch the videos we recommended and gain a clear understanding of how MECHA C2 works. Once you are familiar with the procedure for accessing the user interface, simply access the help page to find all the links you need in one place. Please contact us through our contact form or the email address on the help page and let us know what problem you encountered while attempting to use the MECHA controller. You can also visit Nodal Ninja's Panoramic Photography Forum at forum.nodalninja.com. The MECHA C2 controller is a standalone product and can be purchased separately. In that case, you can power it via the USB port using any suitable phone charger. The controller alone is sufficient to create presets using the OLED menu and to access the MECHA's user interface and become familiar with its functionalities. In configurations that include rotators, such as the C2E1, C2E2, and C2P1E2, the controller must be powered via the round jack next to the USB port, from its external battery, for example. Thank you for watching.